How fresh air is beneficial for kids. The presentation to outside air comes as a little something extra of playing in jungle gyms, and it has a significant effect in a youngster's character. In all honesty, we don't understand what an astonishing gift outside air is for us and our children. We should view the reasons how it helps your children while playing. 1. Builds bone strength. Nutrient D is one of the fundamental elements for bones well-being. Your kid gets it from the characteristic daylight when he ventures out and plays in the open. Staying inside doesn't give enough introduction to daylight, which, thusly, prompts deficient admission of vitamin D. On the off chance that you're not happy in taking your children to an open jungle gym, you can generally attempt concealed districts. For example, the shade structures Las Vegas, as the daylight has an admittance to these zones. 2. Solid and happy kids. An hour of open-air exercise beats stoutness and results in actual wellness. Furthermore, the actual exercise likewise helps in beating other usually winning sicknesses, for example, diabetics. Nonetheless, well-being should likewise be on your need list, so consistently keep froth cushioning for the jungle gym and spread where essential. 3. Improved psychological health. Children who play outside are probably going to get less discouraged and show improved mental well-being than the individuals who don't. King in new oxygen cleans the circling blood in the body that at last arrives at the mind. 4. Better eyesight and lung functioning. The new blood flow is connected to the whole body and directly affects each body part, including eye and lungs. At the point when the body parts get natural air, they perform better and result in more beneficial exercises. 5. Improved behavior and attitude. The children who adhere to the advanced screens the entire day along are less patient and show continuous upheavals. The explanation is the beams delivering from computerized gadgets arrive at their bodies and minds and debilitate their normal cells. Subsequently, they show bothersome practices that aren't useful for their grown-up life, all things considered. 6. Socially sound. Youngsters who play outside enjoy distinctive gathering exercises and collaborate with different children. This aids in creating them socially stable and better at making companions.